Welcome to the mix, and on the mix we have Dwayne. Now, Dwayne is bigging up Andre Stevens for his tremendous work that he did in the Donnelly's missing persons watch. Um, Andre went all the way out to ensure that the mother was comforted and that people were protesting. So just watch the video now, okay?
Stevens, big up to Andre Stevens, sir. Big up to Andre Stevens. I am so proud of everything I saw you doing for this young lady and her family. Yes, I was on my vacation. I did speak about it briefly. I was having fun, right? But if it's not your time, I'm gonna block all of you. I'm going to block all of you. I hope you know that. Whether it's 1, 2, 3, 10, 20, I'm going to block you. Big up to Andre Stevens and everyone who played their part in making this thing go viral on social media. When I say viral, I mean viral. Viral. I'm proud to be a Jamaican who's living overseas. I'm very proud to see the way Jamaica as a collective came out in their numbers to just do the right thing, and I personally feel honestly, maybe, just maybe, they need to bring back the death penalty in Jamaica. I don't know. Maybe there wouldn't be so much killings. Maybe if the only way I see this happening is if Jamaica denounced the Queen as head of state. The minute Jamaica turns into a republic, they will have all rights, they will have all the power to make their own laws and so. With Great Britain being the head of state, it's going to be quite difficult for Jamaica to act accordingly. So honestly, I don't care what no one says. I am very proud of Sir Andre Stevens. Honest to God, you have done amazing. You've done amazing. And yes, I was on my vacation, but trust me, none of your lives missed me. None of them. Even if I wasn't commenting, I was there watching all of the developments, and I'm very proud of you. Congratulations to you and everyone who played their part in getting this person arrested. Even though until proven guilty, none of us can say he's guilty or not guilty until this person is proven guilty by the courts of law. I don't know, but I'm very proud. I am very proud of what I just read, and it was posted on Instagram. To show you guys I'm not lying, it was posted 21 minutes ago. So honestly, even if you guys are privy to what's happened, I didn't know. I only found out 21 minutes ago. So I felt compelled to come on my live and say kudos to Andre Stevens, kudos to everyone who played their part in this. Even kudos to the people who went out and did their protesting outside of Constant Spring police station. I was on the island, but I wouldn't say I was afraid. I wasn't afraid, but when all of this was happening, I was nowhere near that location to go and be a part of it. That's a good thing. So now he's confessed. Like, he can face the people, the government, and the right sentences can be passed out accordingly. Honestly, no one on the face of the earth should feel it is okay to take someone's life. I don't care what no one says. None of us can blow breath into people's lungs. None of us. So why do we feel it is okay to want to take someone's life? None of us are God. None of us can't give life. So why the hell should we want to take lives? You know? I personally believe everyone should be able to live their life in full until the big man upstairs is ready for us to, leave this earth. So, I'm very happy what I just read, and I felt compelled to come and say what I read. I'm very happy with what's happening, because listen, all of us have sisters, mothers, aunties, grandmothers, and all of them are females. All of them are females, and it's quite disheartening to know that people feels it is okay to want to kill females. Females are the backbone. Females are the backbone of the world. Without females, the world would be stagnant. Because I'm very sure no man can bring forth a life. So why should we feel it is okay to take a female's life? That's wrong on all levels. And I'm very happy with what I just read. So, I'm very happy. It is very heartbreaking, Samantha. It really is. It really is. And I promise you, I did follow the whole journey whilst Andre was pressing on. And Andre, I am so proud of you. You might not know me. I know for a fact you won't know me. I barely comment on your live. I have made a few comments, and I think you've done an amazing job. And I pray to God you will continue to fight for the people of Jamaica, because with people like you in their corner, Jamaica will be a better place. It really will. And listen, I don't care who wants to hear me. I don't care who wants to chastise me. I don't care who want to curse me. There are a lot of platforms out there who could be using their platform to do good, but yet still, all they use their platform to is to create havoc and all kind of, basically be a damn nuisance to social media. Like, we have platforms, we should be able to use our platform to do good things, and to, just do good things. Yes, I love Jamaica too. I really love my country. Even if I don't live there, I love going to Jamaica. Anytime I have a chance to have a vacation, I always want to go to Jamaica. I don't care to go to any other country. And I know for a fact I can go to other countries. Listen, the day Jamaicans come together as a collective and embrace each other and stop with the tearing down and, stop killing each other and stop trying to outdo other people, trust me, Jamaica will be such an amazing